The next topic under backtracking is the subset sum problem. The subset sum problem is the problem in which a set is given, set S. Say for example, S consists of some set of integers, say 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, and you are also given with some positive integer D, for example D as 9. Now your job is to find the subset of this set so that the sum of elements in the subset is equal to 9. Okay, therefore I think here you can find a few solutions for this subset sum problem. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 6 is 9. So we have one subset 1, 2, 6. Yes, one solution to this problem, and another solution, as you can expect, it is 1 comma 8. 1 plus 8 it is equal to 9, correct? So this subset sum problem can be solved easily by applying backtracking. Okay, and we have to construct a space state space tree. Fine. So how we can solve it using the backtracking, we shall see. So initially when you are given with some set of items, so make sure that the set of items are in the increasing order. Items are in the increasing order so that it is better to solve the problem. Okay, so but first see that the items are in the increasing order. Yes, so we shall take up this example only. So in this example we have the elements already in the increasing order. Okay, now we shall go on constructing the state space tree for the subset sum problem. Okay, so initially I say that the solution, the sum is 0. Sum is 0, and the which is the first element? It is 1. Therefore, by including with 1, by including 1, what will be my sum? If I include only 1, the sum will be only 1, correct? Next, so once I include 1, next similarly I should include 2 for the sum recursively. Okay, so for 1, if I add with 2, what will be the sum? 1 plus 2, it is 3, isn't it? Next, so for 2, if I add 5, right, 1 plus 2 plus 5, like this. So it is with 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8, isn't it? Is it equal to 9? Not yet. Next item is 6. Therefore include 6 with 6. With 6, what do I get is 14. So this is not a solution. Therefore kill the subset here, right? So kill this subset here by applying the bounding function. My bounding function is the sum of the subset, sum of the elements in the subset should not should be equal to 9. If it is less than or if it is greater than, just kill the subset. Okay, and go one step up. Okay, just backtrack. Okay, so by including 6 I obtained 14. Therefore now include without 6. So without 6 it will be 8 itself, isn't it? So without 6 it is 8. Okay, so after 6, what is the next element? 8. Therefore let us try including 8. So with 8, what is the solution? It is 16. So 16 is greater than 9, the D value. Therefore once again I kill this subset. Next, without 8, without the element 8, what is the sum? It is 8, right? So further we don't have any elements, and this 8 is less than 9. So therefore this is also not a solution, correct? Therefore backtrack. Okay, so we have tried with without 8. So once again backtrack. We have tried with without 6. Once again backtrack. Okay, so backtrack to 3, and with 5 we have done this. Now without 5 you have to do this. Okay, so you can see that this explores the brute force approach. I mean, trying out all the possibilities, isn't it? Okay, right. So brute force approach with some constraint called as the bounding function is what backtracking. Okay, right. Next, I will go with without 5. Okay, so till now without 5. So what is the sum? 3. So after without 5, so exclude 5, go for 6. With 6, with 6. So with 6, so 6 plus 3 is 9. Is it equal to 9? Yes. Therefore here is the solution. Here is the solution. Therefore the one subset solution subsets are like this. It is, see here, it is with 1, with 2, and without 5, with 6. Therefore include 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6 in the subset. So this is one solution, correct? Next, so after this 9, we still have one more element 8. However, adding any further element will exceed this value. Therefore, need not to check with 8 and without 8, isn't it? So here is the solution, and you have to backtrack. Once you obtain a solution, backtrack and check once again. Without 6, right? So without 6, what is the sum till now? It is 3. So without 6, go on including the next item 8. So it is with 8. So it is 11. So kill this subset. Without 8, it is 3. So 3 is less than 9. Kill it. Right. So there may be a question that once we obtain a solution, why should we proceed further? Yes. So this is what the choice at the user end. If the user wishes to find out only one solution, stop the procedure here. Otherwise, if you would like to enumerate all the possibilities, all the possible solutions, then continue the solution like this. Continue constructing the state space tree, in the similar fashion. Okay, right. So we will come back all the way to 3. So with 2, this is what happened. Next, without 2, we shall enumerate. Okay, next we shall enumerate without 2. So without 2, the sum is still 1. Okay, so now you have to exclude 2 and take 5, 6, 8 like that. Okay, so now for 1, add with 5. So what is the sum? It is 6, right? Next, next element is 6. So with 6, what is the value? 12. Kill the subset here. Track back. Without 6, without 6, it is 6. So after 6, element is 8. Try including with 8. It is 14. So back, kill the subset. Backtrack. Without 8, it is 6, and we are done here. We don't have any further elements. Again backtrack to 1. So it is without 5. The sum is 1. So after so it is with 5 and without 5. So after 5, which is the next element? 6. Okay, so now go for with 6. With 6, so it is 7. Next, for 7 with 8, so it is 15. Kill the subset. Track back. Without 8, it is 7. 7 is less than 9. Kill the subset. Track back. So track back without 6, the sum is 1. After 6, next element is 8. With 8, what do we get? It is 9. Yes, here is one more solution. So trace the state space tree. It is with 1, without 2, without 5, without 6, with 8, right? So 1, then exclude 2, exclude 5, exclude 6, include 8. Therefore one more subset is 1, 8. Okay, next, without 8, it is 1, and so we are enumerated all the possibilities. So this is left side of the tree. Similarly, you have to construct the right side of the tree without 1. Okay. So without 1, the sum is 0. Next, try including 2 now with 2. Right. Hope you can continue the tree in this fashion and enumerate all the possibilities. So finally we get that that these two subsets being the answers. Okay. So this is about the subset sum problem. So continue and complete the tree of the right side. Okay.